Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Go On Guitar. We have a new artist here, Fujii Kaze. This is the first time on Go On Guitar. I thought this one was fun to do. This song is called Feelin Good. Alright, so if you feel good to practice bar chords, and many of them, then this is the right song. I believe we have 13 chords, and majority of them will be bar chords. And yeah, it doesn't get easier than just, do it without any capo. I'm sorry, there are bar chords everywhere here, so we're gonna go that route and go over the chords. So, and I'm gonna run through all the 13 chords, and then I'm gonna take you through the chord progressions and just mention them. We're not gonna play through everything here, so let's start. We have first the G minor 7. So that's a bar chord on the 3rd fret, and you bar all strings there, and then you add 5th on A. We have C7. We do that without any bar, so that will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 3rd G, 1st B, and open E. This is the C7. All right, we have the F major 7. So that is 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E, and the D7. And that is open D, 2nd G, 1st B, and 2nd E. Those are the chords for the verse and chorus play. Then we have the pre-chorus chords. So we're gonna go on here with A sharp minor 7. That's a bar on the 1st fret. You bar 5 strings from bottom up like this, and then you need to add 3rd on D and 2nd on B. A sharp minor 7. We have the D sharp 7. You keep that bar there. You don't have to bar the E and A string, but the 4 strings there below you need to on the 1st fret. And then you're gonna add 3rd on G, 2nd on B, and 3rd on E. D sharp 7. Then we have the G sharp major 7. That's a bar on the 4th fret. You bar all strings there. And then you need to add 6th on A, 5th on D, and 5th on G. We also have the F7. That's a bar on the 1st fret. You bar all strings there. And then you need to add 3rd on A and 2nd on G. Let's move on to the chords in the bridge part later on. And we're gonna start with C major 7. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and open E. Then we have the B minor 7. That's a bar on the 2nd fret. And you bar 5 strings from bottom up like this. And then you need to add 4th on D and 3rd on B. Then we have the A sharp major 7. That's a bar on the 1st fret, 5 strings from bottom up, and then you need to add 3rd on D, 2nd on G, and 3rd on B. Then we have the A minor 7. So that is open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then finally we have the C major 7. So that's a bar on the 4th fret. And then you need to add 5 strings from bottom up like this. And then you need to add then the 6th on D, 5th on G, and 6th on B. And there we have all the 13 chords. So we're gonna go with one strumming pattern pretty much through the entire song, except from the bridge part later on. But let's grab the first chord in the verse. That's a G minor 7. And one string around goes like this. So you can start with down, clap, down, up, down. So down, clap, down, up, down. Okay, so. And then you just finish off with clap down. So down, clap, down, up, up, down, clap, down. That is one round. And that is pretty much what you're gonna play through all these chords here. One string around per chord. So we're gonna come to the bridge part later on when this changes a little bit. This is very, very simple, the strumming pattern and bridge part, but yeah, we'll stick to this one most of the time. So yeah, both verse and chorus is played in the same way. So the chord progression here will be the G minor 7, then the C7, then the F major 7, and D7. One string around per chord, and you're gonna play like this. So you're gonna play that for 2 rounds. We played 1 now, you're gonna play that for 2 rounds, and that is the first verse. Over now to first pre-chorus. Now, this is the A sharp minor 7. One string around there, then one string around on the D sharp 7, then one string around on the G sharp major 7, and one string around on the F7. You're gonna play that for 2 chord progression rounds. So one round goes like this. 2 rounds of that, and that is the first pre-chorus. Then comes the first chorus, and I mentioned that before. You play that in the same way as the verse. The G minor 7, C7, F major 7, and D7. One string around per chord for 2 rounds. Then we have repetition for the next round. The second verse is played in the same way as the first one. The second pre-chorus also played in the same way as the pre-chorus we just learned. The second chorus is played in the same way, but we have 4 rounds instead of 2. After the second chorus comes a bridge part, and now we're gonna use a different strumming pattern. It's very, very simple, guys. It's just down clap. Okay? So you're gonna play 2 down claps on each chord. So the chord progression now, I'm just gonna mention it for you. It goes C major 7, then B minor 7, then the A sharp major 7, and the A minor 7. You're gonna play that part for 2 rounds. So, and then B minor 7, then A sharp major, and A minor 7. Okay, for 2 rounds there. And then you continue with the G sharp major 7, 2 rounds again. Then the C sharp major 7 for 2 rounds. Okay, then you go back and do that again, the G sharp major 2 rounds and C sharp major 2 rounds. And then you finish off with a G minor 7, okay, for 2 rounds, and then F7 2 rounds, then the C sharp major 7 2 rounds, and the A sharp minor 7 2 rounds. And that ends the bridge part. All right, that started at 3 minutes and 1 second into the song, right after the second chorus. Then the song ends with a third chorus, and you're gonna play that in the same way as you played it for the second chorus. That means the same chords, but for 4 rounds. 4 rounds of G minor, C7, F major, and D7. And after that, we have the outro parts. You're gonna use the chorus chords, again, the same chords, and just play 1 down per chord for 2 rounds. And then we have some instrumental, fading out there in the end, no lyrics there. So we're gonna skip that part. This is the actual song, and that is how you handle Fujii Kaze's Feelin Good. All right, hope you still feel good, guys. Many chords, bar chords, you're gonna tire up your hand there, but it's a great way to practice your muscles in your hand and coordination and get everything right. And hope you liked it, guys. If you enjoyed it, please feel free to support me here on Chord Guitar. Of course, subscribe to this channel and get the latest stuff out there. So thank you so much, and play tuned.